Get ready to have your mind blown as I present to you the most extravagant and costly dwellings you've ever seen, which, by the way, are also vehicles. Are you prepared? Great, because you're about to dive into this incredible world of the world's most expensive vehicles. But before we get into it, leave a like here on the Cruise Control channel and make sure to subscribe. Starting with the 7th place, we have the impressive Fur Ion Elysium. This technological marvel, measuring 13.5 meters in length and 2.5 meters in width, looks like it's straight out of a science fiction movie. Not only does it provide more comfort than most contemporary homes, but it's also equipped with the most sophisticated information and equipment in the market. Among its most notable features is a retractable Robinson R-22 mini helicopter that can be hidden when the car is in motion. And believe it or not, it also includes 4K TVs, Bluetooth speakers, modern appliances, and a hot tub. In the end, I don't even know if this impresses me anymore when I started by talking about a helicopter that can also be stored inside the car. Now, moving on to the 6th place on our list, we have the astonishing Vario Signatura 1200. This monstrous vehicle is not only the largest in its class, but also one of the most expensive motorhomes in the world. Manufactured by the German company Vario Mobile, the Signatura 1200 is powered by a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine with an incredible 523 horsepower. One of its best features is the unique hydraulic ramp that allows you to store your car inside it when it's not in use. Additionally, it offers countless luxuries such as a touchscreen-controlled induction cooktop, a 190-liter refrigerator, a dishwasher, and a full bathroom with a mineral stone sink. And on top of that, it has a garage big enough to fit either a Mini Cooper or a Porsche 911. I'm sure you would love to take your sports car on a family trip in a motorhome like this, wouldn't you? But hold on, because if you thought you were impressed so far, I guarantee there's a lot more to come, including cars for presidents or almost billionaire entrepreneurs. So, wait, because in 5th position, I'm going to show you something that many people have never seen before, the Klassen Mercedes limousine. If you're not familiar with the Klassen series, get ready to be dazzled by the world's most luxurious SUVs. Klassen is a German aftermarket company specializing in producing ultra-luxurious vehicles. In today's example, we have a magnificent car offering unimaginable luxuries, including fully automatic controls for doors and curtains, iPad-controlled ambient lighting, and adjustable seats with extensions for reclining whenever you want to relax. In the 4th position, we have the Element Palazzo. This incredibly luxurious machine is a true work of art on wheels. It is a robust and reliable vehicle with a range of innovative features. One of the most striking is its panoramic windshield that can be darkened for sun protection, and also the Skyrim Loud, a roof terrace that lifts automatically, providing breathtaking views only for the adventurous. Without a doubt, this one is one of my favorites from today's list. But in 3rd place, let's talk about something that is no longer so new, but believe it or not, even without updates, it remains on this list. I'm talking about a Cadillac Escalade Sky Caption Piano Edition with a stunning black and white interior and gold details. The personification of technological luxury is defined in this car. It offers several exceptional features like executive airplane-style tables. Additionally, it has a 24-karat gold finish, suede-coated walls, and a touch-screen management system. Other impressive details include a sky viewing environment, a 48-inch curved Samsung TV, and even a fax machine. Integrating luxury, business, and pleasure into one spectacular package. Who needs a fax machine these days? But believe it or not, it made it onto this list. Now, nearing the top, in 2nd place, we find the Nilmarking Air, an extremely luxurious vehicle that redefines the road experience. The greatest of all, this true mobile palace is adorned with fabrics simply from the Ralph Lauren brand, and a perfectly harmonious color palette. It certainly combines style and effortless functionality, boasting an impressive set of safety features like lane departure warning, electronic stability control, and tire pressure monitoring. Once inside, you will find a spacious audio area, a full kitchen, a dining area, and even a bathroom for guests. The cherry on top is undoubtedly the 49-inch Sony 4K TV, which even includes a Blu-ray DVD player, paired with a buzzy sound system that delivers cinema-quality sound. Finally, reaching the top of this list and impressing many others, we come to the first place, featuring the super luxurious version of the Cadillac Escalade, the Viceroy Edition. This is truly the king of SUVs. Its elongated body is just one of the many features that make it a top-tier luxury vehicle. The Viceroy Edition is essentially a mobile office equipped with the most luxurious and technologically advanced features. It even houses a 48-inch 4K television within an SUV partition. It has the best cameras and security monitoring to ensure the privacy of the most discerning users of this car. In addition to foldable metal tables, it also offers the option of armored protection. Without a doubt, this car is an imposing machine designed to provide the most comfortable and enjoyable journey possible. Well, if you were impressed with everything so far, I hope you really enjoyed this video. But you would be even more surprised when I showed you an incredibly fantastic motor technology that Toyota invented, a motor capable of disrupting the entire electric vehicle market worldwide. Are you curious and want to learn more about this Toyota creation? Then click on the video playing on your screen right now, because in it, I discuss this motor and how it can not only function but also threaten the electric vehicle industry. So, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications because I post new videos every day. See you in the next one.